China Girl was banned, of course. Did you think that was just stupid or what?
I understand the concern. I do understand the concern. I feel very awkward about that, about censorship, because I object very strongly to the chicks used in page 3 things. And I think it's because it's what they're surrounded by. To see, I mean, it's easy enough to say, well, somebody else can take their clothes off, and that's called art, but because we appear in it. That's one situation where to be surrounded by so much death, hostility, violence, to have that as the center pearl for that kind of grotesque situation, I find very scary, especially coming back to this country where it doesn't particularly happen like that on the continent much. Although it is doing more, increasingly so. But it's very startling to come back to it and see it. And it's very scary, I think. So I don't know, you know, because we're just sort of pumping it out on the... And I don't need to use sort of naked bodies in that particular context, because, again, they are surrounded by other sort of disorienting symbols which add up to some collective message which is not at all agreeable sometimes.
And not perhaps what you intended anyway. So.
Yeah.
So you have to take
I don't know, I find it an enormous dilemma, and I defy anybody to say that they don't find it a dilemma. I think it is a dilemma. If we knew how to deal with those particular situations, I think we'd know how to deal with a lot more situations.